Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Happy Super Bowl Sunday. 2:30-ish in the afternoon, PM, Super Bowl Sunday. What is today, the 7th? Today's the 7th. So, yeah, we're getting ready to open Aroma Thyme here at 3 o'clock. Congratulations to our Super Bowl winner. We had a Super Bowl winner for the Super Bowl party box that we sold a bunch of Super Bowl party boxes today. They're getting all picked up between 4 and 6. So thank you everybody for your support in Super Bowl Party Box. We appreciate it. It comes with a lot of food for $169, beer, and it's a really cool box. However, we are open for regular business. We are open for takeout. So we're still doing the $9.99 takeout tonight. The Peel and Eat Cajun Shrimp with rice and broccoli, along with tonight's special is the mussel and shrimp green curry and the organic green curry sauce with organic brown rice and broccoli. That's $9.99. That's our regular Sunday $9.99. Tomorrow's $9.99s are in the works already. I started marinating the beef for that. We're doing I got these great beef filet mignon tips. They're about an ounce each, and they're really, really awesome. These grass-fed filet tips. It's not the tri-tip, the sirloin tip. It's none of those other tips. This is the real filet mignon tip. If you took a filet mignon steak and cut it into 1 ounce pieces, that's basically what you're getting for the next special. It's a beef teriyaki. It starts tomorrow. And we're also doing a vegetarian dish, our Indian braised chickpea and eggplant dish. That starts tomorrow. That's $9.99. But what are we doing for the Super Bowl today? So, the Super Bowl will be on that TV up there. We're not really promoting it as a party place and come, sit here and drink and hang out. But if you're here and you want to watch Super Bowl and you're able to grab the few seats at the bar that we have, you can watch the Super Bowl because it'll be on because I'll be watching it. We do have 6 more tables in the restaurant. In the restaurant, only I think 2 of them can really even see the TV. The other ones won't even see the TV, what's going on. Because we have some people that call every year and say, I want to sit at a table where I can't see the Super Bowl. So again, we're just not promoting anything big for the Super Bowl in-house because we only have a couple of tables. We only have 6 tables. But if you want to pick up food for the Super Bowl, like wings, pizzas, anything like that, lobster mac and cheese, $19.99 today, we can do that. So you can go to our takeout, our menu, and order food for takeout. And that's on there. So that's what we're doing for the Super Bowl. So nothing really big and fancy anything, but it will be on here. So if you're one of the lucky people that gets to the bar, spaced out, socially distanced, you can watch the Super Bowl. Anything else that I missed, Jamie? Tomorrow? Tomorrow's our wine dinner, that's right. The wines of Seneca Lake. Seneca Lake is the largest lake in the Finger Lakes. It comprises of 80% of the water in all 11 Finger Lakes, Jamie? Was it 11? 13? 9? 11 Finger Lakes. I should be able to remember that, 11. It's almost like your hand, 10 plus 1, 11. That's how I'm going to remember it. So the 11 Finger Lakes, Seneca Lake has 80% of the water of all the Finger Lakes because it's 650 feet deep in certain spots. Average depth is 450 feet. There's a lot of water in Seneca Lake. So because the excessive amount of water, it creates these thermals that kind of blanket the coasts of the lake with in the region what they call the banana belt, which kind of warms up the lake there. So the vineyards all want to get land on the lake or close to the lake as possible. So the first 10 rows feel the benefits of these. The first 10 rows of the vineyard feel the effect of the heat coming off, and Seneca Lake never freezes. So tomorrow, Jamie and I are going to do for a wine dinner 4 wines from Seneca Lake plus a dish, $25 basically. It's a really awesome deal. That's tomorrow. We were in Seneca Lake 2 weeks ago with a group of people from the restaurant here. We did a group tour up there, and we were just revisiting some of those plus a few other wines that we happen to have here. So that's the story with that. Tomorrow night, 6:30, and then like I said, Super Bowl today. Hey, why don't everybody drop a comment of who they're rooting for, or if you don't really care who wins. I want to see a good game. I want to see a really good game. I don't care what team really wins, as long as I see a good game and not a blowout happening. So I think as long as it's a competitive, good game, and we don't know, I like to watch games that you don't know unless it's my team. That you know who's going to win until like the last 2 minutes of the game, right? Last minute of the game, the game is still on the line. So hopefully we'll have a good game, good quality game that will keep us captivated if you are watching it, if you're choosing to watch it. Drop a comment of who you're rooting for, or if you don't care in the comments here. That'd be a great help, or just in our video anyway, because then people will get to see it. When more comments you make, the more you interact with it. So everybody, thanks for tuning in. Hi Michael, hi Diana, hi Linda, hi Thomas, Frank, hey Chris, Robin, Rosie, Jesse, Robert, Johnny, Candace, again, Anthony, Jordan, Ellen, hello everybody, Joel, Teresa, thank you everybody for tuning in. We really, really appreciate it. Jamie, you're gonna be doing a cocktail today or no? Special Super Bowl cocktail? Super Bowl edition.
Yeah, but it's not
Be a bowl cocktail, but it'll be a Super Bowl edition of Happy Hour with Jamie. Okay, are you promising everybody? Got lots of people asking.
Are they asking?
No, but they will. They will ask if you tell them. If you tell them they're going to be there, they'll be there. I have a funny feeling. So, all right. Hi, Cheryl. Joel says, who cares who wins, of course, as long as there's wine, exactly, or a good IPA. So, yeah. All right, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it. Thank you for all of your support, Jamie and I really, really appreciate it. Without you, there wouldn't be us here doing what we love to do. So if you need some wine or beer, we've got you covered. You just need to buy food to go. We have our IPA packs. Candace says doesn't matter who wins. We have our IPA packs, $19.99 to go. Some awesome IPAs in there. Really awesome IPAs, $19.99. We started doing that back in March. In the height of the pandemic, April, we were doing these $19.99 4-packs. We sold a ton of them throughout the course of the year. 4 great IPAs for $19.99. And we also have Sloop Juice Bomb on draft. Brand new fresh keg of Sloop Juice Bomb. You can get that in a growler to go. You just need to buy food. Governor Cuomo wants you to buy something substantial like cookies, dessert, things like that. So he doesn't want you to just take alcohol out of a restaurant. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it, and we'll talk to everybody later. And stay tuned for Jamie here in a little while with her Happy Hour Live Super Bowl edition. So.